But there was also that chess piece. I know that's probably important somehow. I don't know how, but I know it's important. So I'm going to keep that in mind as I blaze forward without ever thinking about what I'm doing. Look, isn't it funny? I told you not to do that. I told you not to do that. Big head mode. Hell yeah. Ultra low definition. Hell yeah. Wow, this is ultra low definition. Well, you know, they weren't kidding. What? Okay, I gotta feed the baby. Come here, baby. No, don't look at me like that. I'm gonna turn off ultra low. Leave big head mode on them. Baby, would you like to call me? Hey there, baby. Wow, there was no. What? What? Ah, well, let me just make sure there's no other cats here. Well, found the bottle, and you're gone. Okay, babe. Hi, baby. Okay, let's take you to the table. Let's take you to the table. Now I'm gonna keep my eye. Watching. Okay, that's weird. That's a little weird. Okay. This is, oh, hi. Okay, that's bizarre.